Referee blows time on in this round 9 fixture on BarTV Sports of the Denton Engineering Cup. And it'll be Newcombe with first carry this evening. Almost gets up to the 20. Williams wrapped him up. McInnes again. Osnawakaboo. And Glowy wraps him up. Also two with the help of Peck. Last one here for the Tigers. Pearsall again. Runs to the line. Good kick. Nelson chasing. Nelson's got it. Nelson will score. Tigers first blood here at Carl.
Yeah, good footy. They've had plenty of ball down the entrance, and they've come away with the first points of the game. They really needed to.
5 away. Last one, the entrance. Pearsall on the toe again, or Nelson got hit. Play on. Pearsall's got it. We'll wait and see what happens here. There's a scuffle.
To make a genuine tackle of it. He's in the bin.
No problem at all. Too far for the Seagulls. Out to the right. Tyres with it. Does the big dummy. Cuts back in. Dangerous Floyd Ty. Gets the ball away to Peck. Bit of broken defence here as Peck spots a gap. McInnes wraps the ball up. Does well. A metre away here. Lakes United. The 75th year. Ty puts the kick through for Kelly's. Kelly's chasing. Did he get checked? Doesn't matter. He's got the ball down. Jack Kelly, well done. 6-4. Kick to come.
Ball in.
Yeah, I love that rule. There's a few I don't like, I've got to say, but I like that one.
Here comes Cooper now. Lovely ball here. Lockie Farr will go over untouched in the corner. Lakes hit the lead. 10-8. Kick to come. Well done, the Seagulls.
Yep, good footy, and now we go back to that scrum placement.
He strikes it nicely. Well done. That's a beauty. 4 away here. The entrance. Tonga flicks it here to Newcombe. Very close to the line.
Off the line. Off the line. Hold. Go.
Tonga puts it on the toe. He gets a lovely bounce. It's a try here to the Tigers. We're locked up. I think Will Pearsall's the man.
He certainly did get a good bounce.
Go.
Last one here for the Tigers. Pearsall. He'll put it on the toe again. This time he goes a little bit high. Craig. It's hit the shoulders. Play on. Tigers got it through Woods. Woods goes for the line. Jake Woods gets over. Tigers get another. A bit of fortune there for the Tigers. Oh, lovely kick from Mantelado. Straight over. Doty again. In fact, that's McCullum. So they're up to the 10 here, the Tigers. Looking to put the sealer on here. Pearsall out the back here. McInnes flying onto it goes Nelson. Nelson for the line. He's over. He gets himself a double. The Tigers could be home with that.
Back him in?
Yep.
I reckon he got it, did he?
Yeah, he got it. Just. Well, full time here at the Denton Engineering Cup. Friday night football. It's the visitors, the entrance Tigers, getting over Lakes United 12. Don't forget, we've got the match of the round, feature match of the round tomorrow between Curry and Wyong. And stay tuned for that. That's all from Paul Aradale, Dave Wild. Hope you enjoyed the coverage. We'll catch you next time.